Hi everyone, welcome back to another Chalogans video. Today we're taking a quick look at a very handy accessory for portable HF setups, the portable grounding plate disc. This set includes one grounding plate disc and 12 4mm banana plugs. That's everything you need to start building a simple and effective ground plane for your portable vertical antennas. Let's take a closer look at the disc itself. The build quality is solid, the surface finish looks great, and the whole unit is lightweight, perfect for taking outdoors. You'll notice there are 12 metal sockets around the edge. These work with the included 4mm banana plugs, so you can easily attach radio wires or other ground plane elements. You get a standard M1030 connector. This allows you to mount the disc onto a spike or other M10 compatible accessories. It's simple and secure, especially for field use. This grounding plate disc works perfectly with MC750 portable HF antenna, but it's also compatible with other vertical antennas, such as the JPC12. Even though it's a small accessory, it makes a big difference. A proper ground plane helps improve both transmission and reception, making your portable HF setup more stable and efficient. So that's the grounding plate disc. Compact, well-built, and a great match for portable HF vertical antennas. If you enjoyed this kind of quick unboxing and gear overview, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next 173.